We throw away salute, give everybody when they look us koro and they hear us wine. On top of the Chairman television station, Wazobia TV, on top Star Times channel 195. If you look me well, when I go see, say, it be like, I hold something for hand. And this thing, when I carry for hand, it they read hashtag no to xenophobia. Hashtag no to xenophobia. And the reason why we they carry this one, they show the whole world. Now, because of, say, on top of acid hot, anything where we carry our mouth, condemn. Say you no good, say na bad thing. The whole world they hear am. And we go use this opportunity now to condemn the kind things when they happen inside South Africa. No excuse, no reason, no justification for you to come out, come they torture, they suffer, they buy anybody anyhow, sake of say the person no come from your country. So on behalf of everybody when they Niger, on behalf of our government, on behalf of all the people when they inside Obodo, the world and inside Africa, we say no to xenophobia. And we they call the authorities for South Africa, the president Jacob Zuma. You they hear me, you they watch me, Jacob Zuma, and everybody when the matter concern, make them rise to the occasion quick and settle this problem. Welcome to As E Dey Hot. On top of our program today, we go look some kind important things wey happen over the weekend. We go chook mouth on top, reason am, look am from left, look am from right. Then we go throw the phone lines open so that una go chook mouth for inside the matter. My name na Ezugu Chukwudi. And from wetin una don see, una go see say I no dey alone inside studio. I dey with my brother wey sabi well as e take concern the matter as e dey hot.
Yes, good morning, our viewers. Welcome to another fresh week of As E Dey Hot program on our Wazobia TV station. My name never still change. My name now Nkubi.
Yes, Nkubi, no time to waste time. Make we just quickly look all the things wey happen over the weekend, over the past weeks, before elections come. Because we get some kind of things where we say we always they look, say okay, action, drama, election. Most of the talk when they come out from weekend, are things when we say they related to election. But this weekend, you know, some other things don't happen. Election don't come, election don't go. And then all these things, now we go chook mouth on top today to reason the matter.
Yes, first thing first, we don't start the program on a very informative note to kick against the Xenophobia Act where they do it, where they take place for South Africa, because it make we look at critically. If we go, make we even look. This not be the first time where this thing they happen for South Africa. Mm-hmm. Like this is more like the third time where they happen, because I know it happened in either 2006, it happened for 2006, and 7 years ago, which is either 2008. This now another repeat instance of waiting they happen. But we can't even look within step of this whole reaction. From the speculation with the talk say with the hear saying that the Zulu king, that is the Zulu king will be king Goodwill and Zwelithini. So now he make one kind statement. Then people say make every foreigner where they their land, make them they go. So that alone, we not gonna know what he talk afterwards.
It's who could be not the
no.
Who could be not the design this talk.
I'm not designer.
Because if like you got the talk like say you dey fear.
No, Chukudi. Now from waiting I.
Because I go talk.
Okay, you state and quote me.
Thank you very much. Because you got the talk like say.
No, Chukudi. You know why? I want the very. Make no be say I carry and that talk.
Unkubi.
Join waiting in talk.
Unkubi.
But if you get a perfect this way of waiting in talk, go ahead.
I go verse.
Talk.
I go verse. This now as e dey hot. We the things when they talk say Rotimi Amechi talk. We no condemn am on top of this show. The one way Ayodele Fayose talk, we condemn am. The one way First Lady talk, we condemn am. Even the one way Oba of Lagos talk, we condemn am. Why you can't be say Zulu king go and come reach? You can't talk like say you.
No, Chukudi. I never expressed my own feeling about this.
Because
you stop because I get a lot of things within my below I want to talk on this.
Our people when they for us, they always they talk and say, they very, very important, say, make all of us collectively use our mouth. Talk say something bad if the thing bad. The talk when Nkubi first introduced now, waiting the king of the Zulu for inside South Africa talk, Goodwill Zwelithini. He talk him, he come out. Talk him say on the 23rd of March, say people wey be say no dey their country, wey no come from South Africa, make dem go back to their country sake of say those people that they make life difficult for South African people, that they follow them, they compete, and they make things hard for South African people. This talk, people don't connect them to some of the things wey come dey happen later, because some kind of people for South Africa come wake up and say yes, these people make them come off our country, make them go where they go, and this one can result in the death of people wey be say they come from different parts of Africa, especially Mozambique, Malawi, and Zimbabwe. Now we won't open our mouth here talk am now say wetin bad dey bad. Even the South African president Jacob Zuma, in reaction
no today they're encouraging that wetin I will talk. In reaction no dey encouraging, because this thing don dey underway for some time. And how long he even take and come out come kick against them? And when he even come kick against them, there were a couple of things he said, and I'll quote, I don't think say he ever for once kick against the fact say a royal person. Some of them say when they look out to him say if the Messian make na kick against the Messian when Messian, he not even come and say okay, waiting this king talk, no they good. Yet he now said something where we say well also draw out. He can't talk say look say every citizen wey dey, every immigrant wey dey here, say make they allow peace reign, make they do it, make the South Africa allow peace to reign, make they freedom, make they do it. You can also talk say at the end of this crisis, any immigrant wey wan go, fit can go. Make you come look the other thing. Wetin they try tell us? You understand? Because already now to tell us say yes, indirectly. Your belly dey sweet over wetin dey happen. I will talk am like that. Somehow. In belly dey sweet over. Come and Kukuma talk say yes. Now so it be say I am excited about wetin dey happen. But indirectly your belly don dey show say yes, you dey excited about wetin dey happen. Because I cannot expect a president to come out after he don say he don kick against am. He still come talk say look if after this thing any immigrant wey wan go in country if he can't go. Which kind of statement? That is a very, to me, it's a very lousy. Sorry to say this, but that statement the one kind.
It's a wrong statement. You know,
very wrong.
They always talk and say no nation is an island. That is to say, no country will just exist by themselves, survive by their own. Now, why we need interaction between countries. And if people they come your country in search of the better life, now sake of say they believe say for that place, greener pasture they for that place. And if they go enter your country, una come they hostile. Come they kill them. Na something when they bad. You be mention some dates go back. Xenophobia not be something when we say now yesterday.
Not be today, not be yesterday.
Incidents like that don't happen for inside South Africa. I remember the case of the flaming man. But now for the president to come out, they tell us say this one, this that. It's a wrong thing.
See,
it's a wrong thing.
The anointing say. These are just, okay, fine. It is not as if these people can't take over on our land, say, yes, I must take over your work by force. Because in this first, let us also look at it critically. No country, in as much as everybody come from a country, no country could just give you room to come say, yes, may it can't give you one kind job like that, say, they take over either the private sector, or they take over either this thing. These are individuals for information. These are individuals who say, the immigrants are individuals who hustle for themselves. They hustle for themselves, raise money, establish business, establish shop. Why to make now know that okay? Why to make now know they tell the government say, look, government unemployment rate on the high. May I do something about them? Even if now a very peaceful protest say we don't want immigrant. May I conduct a peaceful protest say we don't want immigrant. At least that is enough.
True.
Rather than take the laws in your hand, they lynch people for street. They lynch people over waiting. Over in our ignorance and the fact that I don't even know what they're supposed to do as humans. That's just what it is.
Who could become now? I know you don't verse.
Now what it be? Because let us even look at it. Let us look at the percentage rate of immigrants within South Africa. 4% out of 100. That's you're talking about 2 million going by the population. 2 million immigrants. That is like 4% this of the entire population with this thing. So now 4% be the whole people, be the entire people who can't take over on our job. No, 4% be the entire people who take over a country's entire job.
Who could be don't do no verse. Calm down. I know say take them easy. Take them easy. We go like emphasize them again. Say they're very important. Remember, say we they talk here when we they condemn some things when people they talk. If you they highly placed for society, you be person when we say people they look up to you. You get the kind of things when we say you not supposed to talk. Our leaders they be like parents. People they look up to them. If they talk some kind of things, if it go out of hand, see what this thing don't call resort into. People talk say Zulu King talk.
In as much as we go they try to promote peace, I'm going to talk. But person wey don fall hand, don fall hand.
He don't fall hand.
The king don fall hand.
The president
The
too
president don fall hand.
Exactly.
That one we no dey hide am out over am. The king wey be King Godswill and this don fall hand.
He don fall hand.
He don fall hand.
And
This
the
one say
president wey be
he fall
Jacob
hand.
Zuma too.
Jacob Zuma say if you fall hand, this one we no dey keep our mouth say we dey hide am out over am. You fall hand, your king fall hand. It's as simple as that.
Who could be taken easy, but no verse. This one when I come be, they come like me, they beg you today.
No, right on.
I
You
know.
get things because you know what? Shukud, I wish you. I know say you see some of these footages, some of these videos. These are individuals. They be say, I no fit sit down. Just dey watch. Make for no reason. Make the lynch person just because of greed, just because of ignorance. You just pick up somebody say because I say take over your business. Come the lynch and come put this in, beat them up, set on fire. Come the lynch and your fellow human being,
And
your fellow human being.
You get some disturbing images.
How you go feel if na you they even take needle chook you for body make you know how that pain be.
Who could be don't do no verse, abeg. No verse. I take go beg you, no verse. No verse.
No, we'll write down.
So we could just use this opportunity, call on the South African government, make them step up, not be by just talk. Make them deploy troops outside. Make them control this thing. Or people they call a nip am for the board, nip it in the board before the thing go out of hand. Lives of everybody matter, irrespective of where they come from. If we can't begin to talk, say okay, you don't come from our country, go back to where you come from for inside Africa again, and with the claim say
Even
we
if
be
they won't claim
with the
fight
children of Mother
make them
Africa.
do am peacefully now. Make them do am peacefully. Say okay, government serious protest. Say we don't want people are taking immigrants are taking over our business. We don't want them again. Peaceful protests. Then they go now they take resolve them. And moreover, the government should be addressing see where this thing they affected past. Now the poor settlement area. That is the place where we say maybe you have to say them forget them from the system. You understand? Now that place this thing can't they high pass. The government abandon those people.
No, the truth is say we go blame the government. If we check South African society, we go see say after Mandela they release them from prison become president. Now they all come back from apartheid. And if you check the institutions wey not dey in place since that time, education, the society that time discrimination dey. Whites against people when they talk say they be black people. They no gree them go school, they no gree them go some kind of things. But from 1994 to 2015, now plenty time now, 21 years. Why you can't be say una see they blame the ordinary person when come up from in country, come your country, come hustle, say they collect your job.
Hustle, no me say you can't apply. No me say you can't apply for job. Say I won't work for this company, I won't work for this ministry.
He hustle
for himself. He hustle.
How many jobs they do?
Hustle.
South Africa una be our brothers. We like una. We want make peace. They Africa. Problems full everywhere, from Libya to Egypt to. But we know.
See, I want them as an act of laziness. The people they carry out this thing, an act of laziness. Wickedness and laziness. Because if they are not lazy, they don't come and they claim over wetin no dey exist.
And the funny thing be say, okay, when we attack the businesses when we say people wanna call migrants, they get people go come begin the thief biscuits, they thief noodles. Now you attack person, you waste in life. Come they thief noodles, they thief biscuits. It's not right. It's not right. So we on top of us see the hot, they open our mouth, they talk, say, we condemn xenophobia. And not be just talk, we dey use mouth talk. We want to make the government of South Africa rise to the occasion. And we want to make the Nigeria government also make them put their leg for ground to show South Africa, say, we know the lives of our citizens matter. And we not go allow anybody treat them like mosquito. What the African Union they do?
But at least we don't see a couple of African countries, they will say, yes, they don't react to this. We will say, yes, the same reprisal attack. This time around, not an attack on their citizens, on South African citizens within their country. But then, attack and say, okay, because of say, they do this thing,
They defend themselves.
They defend themselves. They even say, fear don't they even hold South Africans where they do those countries.
And this one go lead to lawlessness.
A typical example now, Mozambique, we say, you got one particular company where South Africans full. We say, they don't send back, the Mozambique people don't they protest. They don't send back like 300 something South Africans back to their country. On this, so, you know what they want? Because it has gotten to that point where we say, people go need to talk. Maybe we don't keep quiet over time. It don't happen the first time, happen the second time. We don't keep quiet. But this time around, people don't keep quiet. And it's not going to ever happen again. Because if it's happening again, people, the reaction go past this one when they see.
We don't do no verse. We'll move on to the next story. Because the way when your eye on the shine, even myself can't even the fear. Yes, after that one about wetin happen for South Africa, we go move enter the next story. You get one person when we say the government for our country, na person when we say they respect am where him name na Senator Uche Chukwumerije. Yesterday news enter say after a long and gallant battle with lung cancer, say he don't finally buy, he don't go join our ancestors, or he don't go join Baba God for heaven. So Senator Uche Chukwumerije, na person when we say if he concern government for Nigeria, he don't play own active role.
Yes.
For the government of Ibrahim Babangida, he be
and
the information minister.
Even
the
under
interim government of Ernest
Ernest
Shonekan.
Shonekan.
Now he also be information minister. 2003 they elect him to on the platform of the PDP to be senator. Based on saying talk saying no support the third term agenda. He come up for PDP go the Progressive People's Alliance. Under that platform again, he can win election again for 2007. But after they settle the matter, he go back to PDP and he win again for 2011. In a person where say people go remember him for the good when he do as he take be about to they make law for inside our Obodo Nigeria. We they join our mouth to talk, telling family people say make them take heart. Nigeria don't lose great person, and we hope say people go rise up to the occasion to become great people, so that when they go join God for heaven, we no go there here they shake head say as they don't go, na good thing as they go. Be that.
Yes, but if you look at even for house, for house, we will also at least know the late senator for a couple of things, because now one of the major people will say once issues there for house, issues we need quick solution. Now one of the major people will say we will come out, talk against them, kick against them if that thing they wrong. Say no, make we move this in this way. Make we make sure say at least we make this thing, because we no can represent ourselves. We can't represent our people. And apart from that, we also know make we also talk say look in sons. Also don't at least even if say the sons don't follow the political line of their papa, but at least we don't also see their sons. They very successful in the various activities.
One of them don't represent Nigeria.
Nigeria even win bronze Olympic.
Na good thing, na good
you understand?
thing.
So now to also tell you say the man really live can set up a legacy where we say where in Pikin himself follow well. So that to tell you say yes, it they reflect for his family body.
And this one now also lesson to all of us to know say one day we go come out for this life, go join Baba God. And when people go talk about us in the end, go be the kind life when we live. So make all of us live well. If you take government position, do well, because the decision when you take today, now go affect the people and also the children when we say they go born inside our Obodo, Nigeria. From those first two stories, we will go the next story. This one it be like a Kotuaye or Karishika. When we watch for a Nigerian movie. Now one action when come out for Ondo State, for inside one community when they call Odeirele, they just wake up. Last week they hear say some people go just wake up and they complain of headache. They go ask them say how the headache you? They go say their head they be like say DJ they scratch on top of their head. Say their eye they pain them everything. Under 24 hours the person go by. The people come begin to talk say, what it cause this kind?
Say, apart from say they hide this thing, the illness go. Apart from say we don't see the itches for the body, you can't even quickly can't cause blindness for the person. The person go blind, and from there, under how many hours the person go just die. Because they ask ourselves, which kind of strange? How strong this illness is to the point of say you could just come. Remote you immediately. Remote all your body.
We all go like that.
Take person.
A lot of Nigerians can't they fear because say information they very very key. I dey always talk am here. Argumentum ad ignorantiam. Say if you no get the information, it go be like say one kind thing happen. We can't hear one gist. Now 3 different stories come out first. The first story when come out now from the office of the Ondo State government. When we say the Commissioner for Information and Strategy, Kayode Akimade, he come out, come talk say, it be like say some people go come out one dead body when they bury for ground. Now he cause the thing. But some chiefs for the community come out, come talk say, the way that they look the matter with the recommended glass when they wear, this will not be dead body. Say the thing they metaphysical. Want to say I no go fit call the name of the thing. Make we no call her, make we no be like make it no be like say
now because this one metaphysical, you don't even describe it. Anybody understand what metaphysical be, or make we even break them down for layman language. Like something we say, hey, now like she may use forces. I be something like that, sir. Say na they behind the whole drama of the illness where they strike people down anyhow for Ondo State. And we can't even hear and that quick and this thing.
No, but before we go come look at the story final, and we go rush enter market. When we go come.